Good day, viewers. I remember my humble self again. Otemu Ogenenyero teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Mass Success. God bless you. Finally on the board is how to calculate the total surface area of a cylinder that is closed at one end. It's a Y question number 3B. 2016. A cylindrical tin, 7 cm high, is closed at one end. If its total surface area is 462 centimeters squared, calculate its radius. Taking pi to be 22/7. So the cylinder is closed at one end. Look at it. It's not open at this other end. And the height is given to us to be 7 centimeters. Find this radius. Find the radius. Now, the total surface area of a cylinder closed or open at one end is equal to the curved surface area of a cylinder plus area of a circle. When you factorize this expression, we have pi radius common, height plus 2 heights plus radius is not common. Look at it. When I pick this pi radius out, 2 height is not common. 1 radius there is not common. So let's substitute now the value, because the total surface area has been given to us, which is 462. Then here is pi is 22/7 times radius into 2 times the height. The height is 7 plus the radius. Now, 462 is equal to, when you multiply, it will give us 22/7 into 2 times 7 is 14 plus arrow. Okay, so let's now cross multiply. When you cross multiply, meaning that I will use 7 to multiply 262. I will use 7 to multiply 262. It will give us what? 462, not 262. 462 give us 3234. 7 times 462 give us this. So here will be 22 arrow into 14 plus arrow. Let's open the bracket. 3234. When you use 22 to multiply, it gives us 308 arrow. Let's confirm. 22 times 14 gives us 308 arrow. 22 times arrow give us 22 arrow raised to the power of 2. So let us rearrange. 22 arrow raised to the power of 2 plus 308 arrow, when it will become minus 3234 is equal to 0. It's now becoming a quadratic what? Equation. So let us divide. How to divide 2 to reduce it? Divide 2 by 22. So 22 arrow square over 22 plus 308 arrow over 22 minus 3234 over 22 is equal to 0 over 22. Is equal to 0 over what? 22. So let's just keep on solving. I want to keep on solving. When you divide that by 22, here we are left with arrow here. We are left with arrow raised to the power of 2. Now, 308 divided by 22 is give us plus 14 arrow. Plus 14 arrow. Minus 3234 divided by 22, it gives us 147. And when you say 0 over 22 is undefined. 0 over 22 is undefined. So you can use factorization method to solve it. You can use completing the square method to solve it. You can use general formula method to solve it. But I prefer using any of the above. Any of the above to what? To solve. So let me use formula method to solve. Now, formula method says x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The coefficient is 1, yes 14. B is the 14 here. Yes, a, b, c. So therefore, which is equal to minus 14, because this 14, plus or minus the square root of 14 squared minus 4 times 1, look at the 1 here, times minus 147 over 2 times 1. Alright, now, here is minus 14 plus or minus, what is the square of 14? The square of 14, what is the square of 14? It gives us 196. It's equals to 196. Take the minus times minus is plus. Therefore, what is now 4 times 147 gives us 588 all over 2. So here is minus 14 plus or minus. When you add it to 196, it gives us 784 over 2. 784 over 2. So this is to find the square root of 784 and is 28. So here is minus 14 plus or minus 28 over 2 plus or minus 28 over 2. So let's come to this other side, which is equals to plus minus 14 plus 28 over 2 or minus 14 minus 28 over 2. Now, what is now minus 14 plus 28? Minus 14 plus 28, it gives us 14. So here will be 14 divided by 2. Or here give us minus 32. Yes? Minus 32. Minus 32 divided by what? By 2. Minus 42, sorry. Minus 42 divided by 2. This plus this is 12 carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. It's not 32, please. Now, when this one cancels this, it will give us 7. Or, when this cancels that, it will give us minus 21. But since negative value is not needed, value of x is 7. Please, here is minus 42. I made a mistake by calling 32. So it's minus 42 divided by the 1. We don't need negative value, so our answer is 7. So therefore, the radius is equal to 7 centimeter. If you fail to put your centimeter and you stop at someone like this, will give you A1 minus 1 omission of unit. So you must work with the unit given to you. Because the unit was in centimeter square and the height, so the radius is 7 centimeter. God bless you.